Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through the super easy process of installing Windows 11 from a bootable USB drive. Whether you're upgrading or doing a fresh install, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's check your system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the Windows 11 specs. A 1 GHz processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB storage, TPM 2.0, DirectX 12 graphics, and a 720p display. Got all that? Great. Next, we need the Windows 11 ISO file. Head over to the official Microsoft website and download the media creation tool from the Windows 11 download page. Easy peasy. Now grab an 8 GB USB flash drive, plug it into a working computer and run the media creation tool. Accept the license terms, select Create Installation Media, and choose your language, edition and architecture. Click Next, select USB flash drive, and let the tool do its magic. It'll download Windows 11 and create a bootable USB drive. This might take a bit, so hang tight. Alright, now for the fun part, setting up your PC for installation. Insert the bootable USB into your target PC, restart it, and enter the BIOS UEFI. This usually involves pressing F2, F10, delete, or SC repeatedly. Once you're in, change the boot order to prioritize USB. Save your changes and exit. Your PC will now boot from the USB, bringing up the Windows setup screen. Select your language and preferences and click Install Now. If you have a product key, enter it. If not, click I don't have a product key. You can activate Windows later. Choose the correct Windows 11 edition and accept the license terms. For installation type, select Custom Install Windows Only, Advanced. If you're doing a fresh install, delete existing partitions and create a new one. Be sure to back up your data first. Select the partition and click Next. Now, let Windows do its thing. The installation process will take some time and involve several restarts. Once that's done, you'll be guided through the setup process. Choose your region, keyboard layout, and sign into your Microsoft account. Customize your privacy settings as you like. Once you're on the desktop, press Windows plus I to open settings and navigate to Update and Security. Click on Windows Update and check for updates. Let your system download and install any available updates. You may need to restart again. Finally, configure your device options, reinstall necessary applications, and update all drivers via Device Manager or the manufacturer's website. And there you have it, a fully functional Windows 11 setup. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share. Back up your data regularly and keep your software up to date for the best experience. Until next time, happy computing.